Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where we explore some of the most iconic rides ever built. Today, we're taking you back to a machine that carries the spirit of pure automotive history, the 1970 Volkswagen Vintage Pickup. This classic isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of nostalgia, a symbol of simplicity, reliability, and the unmistakable charm Volkswagen was known for in its golden era. In this review, we will talk about its exterior updates, driving performance, maximum speed, fuel average, and the latest price update for collectors and enthusiasts. Starting with the exterior, the 1970 Volkswagen Vintage Pickup has a timeless look that still turns heads. What makes it unique is its clean, rounded silhouette, the flat windshield, and that unmistakable VW front face that has become iconic worldwide. The body lines are simple yet bold, giving it a friendly and approachable feel. Even though it's a vintage vehicle, many restored models feature subtle modern updates while keeping the classic look intact. This includes refreshed paintwork, chromed bumpers, polished steel wheels, and restored wooden bed panels. These updates don't take away the originality but enhance the pickup's overall charm. Many owners also add modern LED indicators or slightly cleaner trim lines to improve visibility and aesthetics while staying true to the original shape. The compact size and classic stance make it look perfect whether parked or moving. Moving toward the performance review, the 1970 Volkswagen Vintage Pickup was built with practicality and durability in mind. Under the rear bed sits Volkswagen's reliable air-cooled engine, a simple yet efficient power plant that defined the brand for decades. The pickup isn't built for high-speed racing, but its performance is steady, smooth, and surprisingly capable for everyday use. The engine responds in a predictable and comfortable way, offering a relaxed driving experience. The suspension feels soft, allowing the vehicle to glide smoothly over rough surfaces. Steering is lightweight and easy, making it simple to handle even in tight city locations. This vintage pickup shines in its durability and the enjoyment it brings behind the wheel. It's the kind of machine that makes you slow down, enjoy the road, and appreciate the connection between driver and machine. Talking about the maximum speed, the 1970 Volkswagen Vintage Pickup was never meant to be a fast vehicle. With its original setup, it can reach around 100 to 110 km per hour, depending on the engine condition and modifications. Most owners prefer driving it at calmer speeds, around 70 to 80 km per hour, where it performs best and feels the smoothest. The charm of this pickup lies in its steady cruising ability rather than raw speed. Now let's discuss the fuel average. Thanks to the lightweight design and efficient air-cooled engine, the 1970 Volkswagen Vintage Pickup delivers a fuel consumption of around 10 to 12 km per liter. This can vary based on driving style, engine tuning, and added modifications. For a vintage vehicle of its age, this fuel average is actually quite impressive, making it both economical and enjoyable to drive. The simple mechanics also mean maintenance is affordable and easy to manage, especially for those who enjoy working on classic cars themselves. Finally, the price update. The value of the 1970 Volkswagen Vintage Pickup has been rising steadily in the collector market. Depending on the condition, restoration quality, and originality, prices can range from $12,000 for basic running models to as high as $30,000 or even $40,000 for fully restored versions. Rare trims or models with original factory parts can be valued even higher. As demand for vintage Volkswagen vehicles continues to grow worldwide, the vintage pickup has become an excellent investment for collectors looking to own a piece of automotive history. The 1970 Volkswagen Vintage Pickup remains one of the most charming, reliable, and timeless classic vehicles ever built. Its simple design, enjoyable driving experience, excellent fuel economy, and rising market value make it a favorite among enthusiasts. Whether you're restoring one, planning to buy one, or just love classic machines, this model continues to stand proudly as a symbol of vintage Volkswagen engineering and style. Thanks for watching Old Studio Car. If you love classic car reviews, stay connected for more timeless machines.